What's going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife in. It's a budget knife from REVO. This is the Warden 2 Tanto. It's like we need another budget knife these days. A lot of these budget knives are starting to come out and looking a lot alike lately. I wish that if they were going to do and compete in something that is very competitive these days, I really wish they would come out with some more unique designs. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here today. Okay, guys, so let's get this on out of here. It's supposed to be gray. Looks dirty too. That's interesting. Yeah, I guess it's kind of a bluish gray. It does say gray on the box. Okay, interesting. Deep carry pocket clip, semi-deep carry pocket clip. It is reversible. Yeah, no jimping on the flipper tab, but this is a assisted knife, which I'll get to in a second here. I've got some jimping up here on the blade. It's got a fairly decent. The design overall is very basic and very reminiscent of a lot of knives right now, with the same very similar handle configuration, same very tapering Tanto blade. Seeing a lot of knives like this. Tordis did one. A lot of them. Case's knife is really looking just like this. There's probably 4 knives on my channel right now that look very similar to this. I wish they would really get a little more innovative. Little swedge up there, 9CR 18 MOV, and yeah, so there's your lockup. Yeah, I mean, for an assisted knife, I think $50 is a bit much. You can buy a bunch of Civivis right now for $50, and they're not assisted. I mean, if you guys like us, if somebody likes assisted knife, this seems fine. Fits good in the hand overall, but I wouldn't go as far as, like I said, it does dirt or something on there. But yeah, overall, I mean, it's not a bad knife. It's not terrible. It's got a nice thin form factor for an EDC knife. That flipper tab's a little annoying. Since it's assisted, I don't think it needs to be quite so pointy. But overall, for $50, I think it's a bit on the heavy side, even for G10. But that's up to you guys and what you value your money at. Yeah, I don't know. $50 is a bit on the pricey side for a knife that doesn't even have a design factor or form factor that is really very unique right now. There's so many other knives that look just like it. So, but there you guys go. I bought it. I spent the money for it. So you guys can make your own judgments on whether you want to spend $50 for an assisted knife that looks a lot like quite a few other knives. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.